Good afternoon, hangers. What's up? Unfortunately ke anikwazi ukutsho namhlanje benibawula ukutsho kodwa ke namhlanje maniqale ndizilande ndithi kuchabalala umtshengu sobhuza uhlongwane ezalwa yena uMadlamini uJama uSijadu ufakathi ungqonoboya pha kude kulamhlaba wasengqushwa indoda yenu lime phambi kwenu namhlanje uAyabonga owakwamakhanya. Yes, it is your boy Ayabonga M, and namhlanje ke we are celebrating Heritage Day. The question for today is, what does Heritage Day mean to you? Sihleli ke nenkonde, ndithi inkonde. Sihleli nomuntu omkhulu ke namhlanje in studio who's going to talk to us about Heritage Day and what Heritage Day means. Lo bhuti ke is a researcher. I've been present at utata kodwa manje ubhuti. Lo bhuti ke is a researcher, and his work focuses more on tradition and culture nemvelaphi. Bhuti zamxolo, sakwamkela.
Manibulele kuwe Shabalala Mshengu.
Sama.
Ngibulise kuwe nabaphulaphuli bakho be hang out ne. Okay,
Yeah.
they hang out. Okay. So it was kakhulu. So manje iqale kule ndawo ndingu uzamxolo wakwaNduna. NdinguShwemi Isiduko, ndinguLimakho, ndinguzula Mkhondo. Ndizalwa intombi yakwaMlambo. Engqushwa abazamisa
Abantu abahlabo.
Ndingumzukulwana wasemazizini koJama uSijadu ofakade. Ndiphinde ndibe kumzukulwana oChezi emkhabela oDenza. Isizukulwana ke sasematolweni from Chenge oZulu. Ondlangisa oGqagqane. Ngiyingxaki yezoduko zontandathu endizibizileyo. Ikhaya leseBhofolo kodwa ngokuhlala ke silapha eMadlala kodwa ke intsukaphi yethu yona utata omkhulu uNduna abasuka khona usuka kwaZulu Natal. Sawela ke sagudla ke unxweme sazofika apha eMpuma Koloni.
Yeah, you know, before singene kule conversation yethu sincokole ngayo, there's something very important about or very interesting ngomntu wakwantu okanye ngomntu wesintu xa ezibulisa. There's a difference between xa usedolophini naxa usezilalini. Uve umuntu ezibulisa xa abantu abadala xa begqiba besithi hayi xa umbuza uba unjani athi hayi agqibe athi sicenga ukuphila sezilandile. I find that very interesting, and I want us to talk about how important it is introduction yethu bantu bakantu naxa bezilanda.
No, ibalekile kakhulu because uba ngaba uyakhumbula okanye uyaqola into yoba especially lapha esiXhoseni si kwi-lineage zethu kuba khona ukuzalwa nokhoyo phambilana. Ufaniseke into okubana ngaba kukho ukhokho othile for umzekelo kukho isiduko okanye umuntu okuthiwa nguGqagqane. Ufaniseke into yoba uyangena uGqagqane kwaLimakho, uyangena nakwaNdlangisa. So xa ke ngoku umuntu ezilanda, I think in element yokuzingca into yoba ungubani na, and nento yoba usukaphi. So ukuzilanda kune also element yokuchaza into yoba where to from now okanye apho usuka khona ubheka phi. So ibalekile iqaphela abantu abaninzi umuntu azichaze iduko ezimbini esikamama nesikatata ubona uba unento ayilibalayo into yokubana ngaba abantu abachazileyo bazalwa ngobani nobani na. So amaxesha amaninzi ke xa nje ndizichaza kwindawo ekuhleli ukuza abantu besiXhosa okanye sisemcimbini wesintu, uzichaza funeke uhambe egabalala kwenze into yoba mhlawumbi nje wasihlela apha nje singamadolo okanye silapha kuloo mzi okanye kokwenu uzawuba khona umuntu oza kuthi hayi mantyhini usekhaya mos nala, okanye umuntu aphakame athi hayi nam umama okanye utata okanye udadobawo wendele phaa okanye nam ndiyazalwa kwezi duko sibizileyo phaa. Into yozazisa ke lo hlobo sakho ubuhlobo nabantu kuba kaloku sihambe sidibane nakwezinye iindawo ufumaniseke into yobana ngaba tyhini noko manje ndandidibene noSobhuza endaweni ethile ngibe nesithi hey kukho ubani endizalana naye utatakhe okanye umamakhe wathathele pha okanye utatakhe wathatha intombi yasemathileni. So kubalekile ke ngoxa sizichaza sibe nemvali sichaze ubumi bethu gabalala kwenzela into obala ngaba sigcine ubuntu bethu nento obala ngaba because kaloku abantu bakudala nendlela babehlala ngayo amampondo amathawe njalo amampondomise babehlala lo hlobo. Kodwa ufumaniseka into yoba akukho umuntu ungazalima sibe besixhosa sizalana nasonke singafala nje sibalekela le but somewhere somehow kuzawuvela isiduko esithile into yoba hayi man ubani wayetheni kanye wayithathe inkosikazi ethile many months mhlawumbe sekazana nozala
ingekabikho nobakho. So kum ke ngoku ndifuna ubuza, so do you think that indlela, and I think you've mentioned qha mhlambe andikaka understand kahle, yindlela yento yoba kwakhiwa ubudlelwane without any masithi ke xa kuthiwa ngosixhosa xa kutshatwa ifamily kulotyolwana kwakhiwa ubudlelwane. So would you say ke ngoku naxa kwezo introductions kwakhiwa ubudlelwane?
Ewe injalo, because in so many cases okanye indawo ekhe ndihamba kuzo xa ndive ndisichaze umuntu uvela athi ebondini hayi mani nam okanye mhlawumbi ndinxiba intsimbi eyam ebhale ushwem athi hey thine ushwem wabani andichaza wakanduna athi hayi mani inkosikazi yam ngeyaphaya. So from there kuzawakho into ethi bandini nam xa kukho into phaa ekhaya ndiza kubiza kuba kaloku ngudadobawo wakho lo ndimthathileyo. So ihambe ke ngokule nto yoba mhlawumbi sasidibene endaweni emcimbi esingazani kuwo, but eventually ngoku sizawudibana kuba kaloku ikhona le nto phaa naphaa yasidibanisa. So ubuhlobo ke esiXhoseni ke sibakha ngolo hlobo kuba kaloku awunyanzelekanga into yoba sifane nabanye abantu abazala nge-surname ofana Meve. Thina ke ii-surname zethu azifani but kukho le nto isidibanisayo which is isiduko.
Yho, hayi uyithande uyitsale kakuhle wayicacisa kakuhle. So ndifuna uyazi ke ngoku kuwe ne sinombuzo namhlanje othi what does heritage mean to you? So ndifuna ukwazi into yoba i-heritage kuwe imvelaphi iminisha ntoni?
Well masiqale kule ndawo into yoba i-concept ye-heritage isuka laphi kuqala. I think that's very important.
Yes.
Ibe yi-point of departure. Before it became Heritage Day or Heritage Month,
yes,
it used to be known as a Shaka Day. Why would we convert Shaka Day to a Heritage Day? You see? Because lento iza kulento sigqibe discuss into yokuba apha ekudibaneni kwethu we end up sizalana and then we build relations. Ne? So iShaka Day ke ngoku yayi signify into yokubana ngaba uShaka he brought together different groups esakha uZulu. Right? Now nokusolaka ke ngoku nge-24th of September in the 1800s kwafumaniseka into yobana okay annually ke ngoku abantu bakaZulu babeyibhiyoza bodwa iShaka Day as a province. Now so we ushered into democracy in 1994. Then Parliament said 1995 no man, let's have a discussion. Si change lento si suse from uShaka Day siyenze. So there were discussions among MPs, including IFP, whereby it totally disagreed with that. No man, we can't convert Shaka Day to heritage. But eventually in 1995 it became a bill, and then Parliament said no, let's find a suitable date.
So kahle isuka ku Shaka Day.
Yes.
Hey, ininzi into endiyifundayo but ke okwangoku sizawuhlala nathi. Hangouters, we'll see you after these because we got bills to pay. Heritage is important, and now we even know where heritage is suka khona. But I guess sisezawuqhubekeka after these. nto zobawo ndibetha kezinye ii-chapters namhlanje ndihlale ndisitsho ke mbukeli ndisithi back like umqolo. Sisahleli ke naye ubhuti uZama namhlanje sisancokola about i-Heritage Day. Now we were touching on, we spoke about what i-Heritage Day means to him and imvelaphi ye-heritage wasilandela. We spoke about the importance also of that introduction. Xa ufika endaweni ume ukwazi ume ntungu ngesixhosa kuthiwa ukwazi ume ntungu njengendoda. Now we do know ke ngokuhamba ke wena Bhutsama uxolo that njengoba ke sikhuliswe ngendlela safundiswa ezendlela uyile ke nasencwadini futhi was strong of encwadini now. As a researcher, your work is rooted in culture, it's rooted in ukuzazi as umntu. How do you find or how did you incorporate or decide that in fact this is the route or the channel that I want to go into?
Okay. No, I think thank you very much for that question. I think ukuzazi kuqala it means a lot. Because remember, when we incorporate heritage with our upbringing, inayo into evuselayo emntwini. You see? Because even though some of us, we grew up in the townships, let me put it in the urban areas, we know i-roots zethu, right? So I saw fit in Balangaba. Look, when we speak of heritage, in a social cohesion, ne? We speak of a sense of identity, a sense of belonging,
Yes.
right? Now, also, we must link heritage to a past year.
Okay.
So in order for us to redress or address some of the injustice of the past, you see, because Imbali, it teaches us a lot, right? In Balangaba, look, this is what transpired in this era and that era. But now, how do we usher ourselves into this new era? You see? So many scholars and researchers in the field of history as well as heritage, they speak unto what I've just said in Balangaba. Look here, especially South Africans, right? We've got 11 languages.
Oh.
We are a diverse nation. Ne? But look, South Africa, as much as a diverse nation with these languages, there are countries with more than 11 languages, right? But then, what do we learn from them as teen? I remember we are still new. I mean, this thing of democracy, 30 years is so yes.
Yabona ke unikhawuleze wandileqa because bendizawubuza ke ngoku into yokuba what does, because obviously with the international work that you've done as well, what does it mean, or that sense of pride, or ibanjani, and zindoni that you can say that you've picked up, I beg your pardon, as someone who comes from Eastern Cape, who comes from South Africa, ahambe abheke kwelinye ilizwe, and what does that mean for your identity, and how do you then as identities zethu, because obviously udibana nabanye abantu kwala mazwe, how do you then still maintain and say, look, this is my identity, but this is the world also? How do you balance that?
Well, that's quite an interesting question, because I've engaged with Ethiopians.
Yes.
And a friend of mine from Ethiopia, 2 years ago, he published a book called Ubuntu. And I'm like, aren't these people supposed to speak Aramaic? But the title of the book says Ubuntu, right? Now, I came across guys from Tanzania and guys from Kenya. They both speak Swahili. There are actually words in both languages that you find kunamazwi esiXhosa that they utter here.
Oh.
Yes. Right? Especially guys from Tanzania. Take for example, in national anthem is in Tanzania as well as you see, there are similarities. Yes, there are similarities. So when I stayed abroad for 2 years, I did not lose the sense of who I am or where I'm from.
Yes.
Because there were also cultural days, right? Then we would say, okay, all the guys from SADC, let's form a group because we are from neighboring states.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Meaning that something that is in Namibia to definitely be here in South Africa as well. So, and then like during my stay, I did carry my beads with me. I would go in class wearing my Xhosa attire. So that look, Chief, this is where you are from, right? And it was not about me per se.
Yes.
I was like, look, there is a country called South Africa, a diverse nation with 11 languages and different ethnic groups. But they would say, oh, you're from Mandela tribe. I say, yeah, of course I'm from Mandela tribe. I'm from the Eastern Cape.
Yes.
But they say, where's Mandela from? I say, Mandela is from the Eastern Cape. I said, okay. You know, so people, they had great respect for that. Because not only did I did not abandon who I am or the flag that I was carrying, which is the flag of South Africa. So it was not a very difficult thing to do, but it was very easy because I really enjoyed promoting South African culture in a foreign land. You see,
truly inspiring there. And also the importance of as well remembering ndithanda le nto uthi uba wawudla ngothi xa usiya eklasini uhambe unxibe iintsimbi zakho to remind you. Now there's hangers out there ezisibukeleyo and that are inspired by your story, to show them as well that ndingangowasengqushwa, ndingangowasebhayi, ndingangowasebhofolo, ndingangowaphi eMpuma Kapa, but noba ndiya kweliphi ilizwe, my identity is true, and it is important that I identify myself and I'm able to identify myself in those spaces. Now, there's one thing I like to do with some of my guests, and I'll ask you to do it as well, is that kulamntana uhlala kwaLanga, uhlala eNew Bright, uhlala eDurban, uhlala koQumbu, une aspirations and une dreams, whatever dream that they have. Ungathini kubo, and incorporating, not forgetting about remembering their identity in the world that we live in.
Well, that's where you're putting me in a spot there. But I think you know, the world is changing, and we can't run away from that fact. But something in you will somehow trigger your upbringing. You know, when we trying to go up the ladder, we come across various things. Some might motivate you, some might demotivate you in the throughout your journey. But we must always stay true to who we are. The problem that we have is trying to fit in the world that maybe is not even meant for us. You get an opportunity to go and study abroad or to work abroad. Then someone say, hey, the level is very high, right? You try then to fit into the world that is unknown, or it is not known to you as umntana usuka eBizana, in the deep rural Mpongweni, where, for example, Mama Dikizela came from.
Yes.
But there must be something that you say, no, look, remember at home, ukhule, I want that word, that meal in a spinach and everything else. You see? Exactly. Yeah. So I mean, take for instance, where I was, the guys that I was with, they were cooking their traditional meals, even though they were abroad. You see, Tina, we call it pap. Them they call it sima. You see, like, I can eat this thing because here's a meal as well. You see, so it all depends on your family's teachings. You see, before you go out, you must remember, what did your parents tell you or told you?
Yabona uyike yonke, and I'm sure the hangers would be happy about this one. Very informative there as well. Uputsa Muxolo ke utsho ke hangers uthi, it is very important to remember your identity. Noba uphi na uyasibalisela about people, foreign nationals as well, that were in other countries, or rather in the same country that he was in, and they remained true to their identity by kokwezinto ezincinci upheke lamfino wakokwenu ufundisiweyo. Now it is Heritage Day. We still have more to come up, but for now, got bills to pay, darling. See you after these.
Beautiful people, welcome to it. Mazitlana is definitely outside in the streets of GQ, exactly at Richmond Hill, and also we are at Parker's Restaurant. We have been invited by Usuthu Mandlovu to come and experience in terms of what is she curating for the Biko experience that she is going to be having on the coming weekend. And also at home, I hope you guys are having a fantastic Heritage Day and also you're enjoying having to spend time with your family. And also we do know that today it's definitely a bride day. And also we're going to have conversation with Usuthu and also her crew. Get to hear and also see are they good to go to the public. So to you beautiful people, please make sure that you guys do not go anywhere, because and also have these conversations for you. Friends and family, and yes, we inside at Parker's Restaurant, and right next to me I do have the lovely lady, the most talented person you can get to find right here in GQ, and that is the one and only Usuthu Mandlovu. Ma'am, welcome to it. How are you today?
Hey mama, I'm good.
Man, let us get to talk. We know that you're someone who's multi-talented, from being an actor to being a poet to being a musician. You're just an all-rounder, an egg of art. Right now, you're working on something very epic for yourself and also for your career, the Biko experience. Let us get to talk about that, and also for people to have more information as to what is the experience about.
Yo, bruh. Okay, you're narrating it so well. So Z, without even wasting your time, this is one of the most special event I have ever hosted in my life, man. I won't lie to you. Starting from the opportunity I got from Biko on this other time where I was invited by Conrad, Obama ndio performer under NMU kukho memorial lecture Biko last year. So did a poem there passionately about Biko, because I mean Black consciousness movement, man, is so personal to me, you know. More when you understand the concept and the philosophy behind it. It's mainly about umuntu omnyama azibone ngumuntu and deserving. That's the underlayer. I mean, so to be rubbing shoulders with Nkosinathi Mfondini hayibo.
That's big.
Yo, ngunyana womntu lona endimthandayo. It's a big thing. Yabo. So I'm excited to go there. Nge-26 yaka September until nge-28 sizabe sise-Ginsberg pha kwaBiko ne. Samkeliwe ke ngobubele, so I believe even the family is intending to have a good time with us. I am as excited as well. Isikakhulu udibana nomakhulu uMamtsiki ne. Because ke nguMandlovu, so I'm so excited to see her. Ndiyacela andifuna uhamba ndedwa. I want to go there with my friends so that we can all share the experience, man. On Friday sizofika bekhona omakhulu baselalini sakombela sonke phayana on a Friday around the fire kuyaculwa kumnandi. Sibekile ke nenyama yethu guys kumnandi sisendlini kaloku ne. And then on Saturday then siyacela ukuba siyabona uyobeka iflower pha. So sizayoyibeka, and then after that sihambe ke ngoku have the actual event where there's going to be performances, poetry, theatre, or DJ bra, all the works. I know Andy uzaba khona uNdlazelwana, Dongadala is gonna be there, DJ Scalio, Sillies, even the very instrumentalists that I'm gonna be going with, bra. These are people that love what they do, ne? And then ngolosihlanu sinayo a silent, yabona zinto zanto nice way kufakwa earphones, and then ukubukela screen silent movies. Oh, thanks ke uyayibona neuhlele wedwa phaya urub shoulders ezando mntana msawuzenza phelalini courtesy of ubut Linda Ginya uzabe ihamba nathi pha. And then Saturday ke on the actual event iBlack Cat izabe khona, sabe sincokola kamandi ke phana nobut Olama Mnqwazi but leadership yabo. And then kube khona uLu yena uzabe facilitated the stories and the questions about, because obviously as much as it's going to be conversations siyafuna ba ibe khona esifundayo, understand. And then there's going to be performances ke ngoku. After that sakubray DJ Scalo sibambe kamnandi pha. Sunday siyahamba ke ngoku siba ne yoga, hike and meditation, and then we go home. What do you mean?
Lovely stuff, man. And also, I cannot let you go without asking this question. I'm sure that the family has gotten to see other artists out there, but they decided to choose you as Sotho Mandlovu, coming from the warmer location. Let us get to talk about that experience. How did you get to receive it? And also for you as an artist and someone who believes in your craft, what does it mean? And also from here, how are you going to try and elevate yourself even more and further?
Yo, Z, that's a mouthful, bruh. Number one, even the very you mentioning it right now, bruh. I keep managing man what do you mean? You know, that day I remember it vividly. Nkosinathi esitsho kokuba Mandlovu bekunyanzelekile okokuba ndamkelwe nguwe because umama naye oyilida endlini nguMandlovu. Because of that I would like to extend my hand, and yo, now when people are clapping as I'm like, yo Nkosi yam, what do you mean? Yes. Thank you, this is godly, this is a dream come true, man. Like it yo, and yazi ndithemba uThixo. And even ndithemba uChamela kuba ke egqibeleni when I ask God ndibiza uThixo wabo bonke ababantu, because I mean ukuchukumisa ubiko mfethu.
That's big. That's
yo, so this is you know what? I don't care what the industry say. This alone for me will ever be an award. In my brand, it will ever be an award. I don't care who says what. I'm not stopping because of that. Obvious. Kaloku ubhuti Nkosinathi kwaba ubone into regardless of where I come from. Ubone into nobantu but ubone into, and because ebone laa nto anzuyeka ke yeah.
Lovely stuff. And also, man, let us get to talk, as much as there's going to be different activities done on those specific days, but let us get to talk about your performance. What are you going to bring to the people Ginsberg, and also how are you going to try and make sure that as much as ungowa kwelicala, but that side you're going to leave with a family that is going to have so much trust in you musically and also artistically?
I am excited for myself. I am excited for every creative that's going to be there. Umntu uyakhula kaloku, ne? Umntu uyakhula, and uyakhula even musically. How you translate music now is equivalent to the experiences you've seen. I think kumnandi kuba kule ndawo ndikuyo.
Yeah.
kumnandi uba kule ndawo ndikuyo, because finally I feel ba I am not apologetic about it. I accept it as it is, as raw as it is. I don't know what it is, but I'm giving in unto it. Yebo. And ngenxa yaloo nto ndicela lindani into ezimnandi.
Yeah.
Saniphathela into ezimnandi.
As always.
Saniphathela into ezimnandi.
Yeah.
Ichoms zam zidlala kamnandi. Uyeva. I'm going to bring you poetry. I've been trying to recite it and fix it here and there. Aphatho biko. Yo. Saniphathela into ezimnandi. That's it.
So into ithethayo is that we should book buses, book taxis,
Masambe.
see any Ginsberg to go and find and also get to be part of this
I
experience.
understand, guys. You road trip, we are creatives, Lena. Imagine we're going all together. It's people with peace, man. Yeah, it's like I'm Nandi. The intention is one. We just wanna, for once, as fun go to your performance, no, so wanna a relaxed space where you just get in your into at once. Kumnandi, but abahle akochuku. Yabona creatives ayi. Kusaba mnandi backends. Isenja masambe.
I love the fact that Utimasamben will definitely go and be with you, man. And also now, let us get to talk in terms of for Abantu Base Ginsberg, what are you trying to make sure that them get from you as much as you're going to be giving them? But what is it that you want them to take away from you as Umbausutu?
Oh, mabathatha ubuntu man, nokusebenzisana, nokungamonelani in the creative space. Because xa kuthiwa kukhona ugqirha wendlebe, kukhona ugqirha wemehlo, bonke gogqirha ne, but they're all sent for different purposes and they're there to meet different people. Yebo, dithunyelwe abantu i-tribe yam. So unaxana unocula zinhle, awuzochukumisa next gumpo because now uthunyelwe i-tribe yakho. There's no competition. There is no ndiyothi guys masebenzeni. Yabo akululanga in the industry. Ndiyayazi kuyoyikeka, but let us take us and run authentically. At least man, umuntu noba ngaqamele ubutho ngobuko uyayazi I've tried. I've gave myself a chance. So nasi that some guys ndifuna ufika up because it's a creative retreat. I want to meet people that love art. Noma perform, but I want to meet you, man. Let's talk, man. Can we make things different? How can we engage? How can we grow? What can I take from you? Singayenza njani mali? Posting mali zinhle more than anything else. Sizele sinabantwana sidinga imali. How can what we love benefit us? That's what we need. So ndifuna la nto xa ndifika pha guys nindamkele ndiyathanda ugombela.
Exchange good energies.
Yes, please.
Lovely stuff, man, Sutu. I'm not going to hold you down because we know that you're someone who loves to perform, and also we do have a platform for you to always come and grace us with your lovely talent. So, madam, let us just take a quick ad break, and then we're going to come back, and you have something beautiful prepared for us to showcase. This is what I'm going to go and do against back. This is what in don't do mengayole.
Yes.
Lovely stuff. Beautiful people, please make sure that you guys do not go anywhere. And also bring us a beautiful rendition of hers. Stay tuned. Beautiful people, as I have promised you right before the ad break, that Usutu is definitely going to be giving us some of her rendition that she's bringing to Bigo Experience. And also we have changed the location to come and put her in a very more complex and also more intimate space to come and give us some of her beautiful vocals. So beautiful people, please make sure that you guys are sticking through because right now I am going to be giving it to the most talented and also the most extraordinary woman. And Sutu, take it away.
Thank you, Mama. kudala ndibekezele kudala ndiceka kudala ndisiza kudala ndisiza kudala ndisiza ondiyacenga nam owayi mayine mayine yonke lemvula mayine yonke mayine yonke mayine lemvula mayine izihlambe lemvula yona izihlambe izihlambe nengqondo yam izihlambe nenhliziyo yam izihlambe nomzimba wam izincibe zonke izikubeke emzimbeni wam izincibe zonke izincibe mayine lemvula mayine yonke lemvula mayine yonke mayine mayine lemvula mayine lemvula mayine lemvula nomvula I remember back in the days with my mom. She told me ages ago, back in the days, kulubala imvula inganethi kungekho manzi. But the kings, they would go and select women, not just any woman, they would select women of faith. Oh mama babesazi ingxele imbele kokuba xa kumnyama kubiza uThixo. They would take those women, zinyuka inkonde intaba, zitenga zithandaza ngenhliziyo, zithandaza ngomphefumulo, sitsho kancinci. Oh why mayine bethandaza, oh why mayine bethandaza ngengoma, oh why mayine, please join me, bethandaza ngengoma, oh why mayine bethandaza ngengoma, oh why mayine, oh why mayine, oh why mayine, mayine yonke mayine ngo. Thank you so much.
Beautiful, man. Thank you so much for joining and also for welcoming us onto your rehearsals. We hope nothing but the best for when you go to Ginsberg, and also to the people that are watching right now. Where are we buying those tickets? And also,
Guys.
Ipila V classes out. When we're going to
Mamela Lily. Mamela, very simple, man. I am available on all social media platforms. So, transport and accommodation are upon request. Because so please, there's a reasonable price for a taxi, and also there's a reasonable prices for Izindlu, because Skirele Izindlu around Paya, Ginsberg, 220 only for the entire 3 days. Pass, that's it, because this is really not about money, man. Justin J, obviously, we're calling for contribution for the logistics of us going there, because it's not like there's any other funding or whatsoever. So that's the only reason. Otherwise, so yeah, please come true, man. It's gonna be nice. We're ready. We've been praying. So she has started as
definitely. Thank you so much, Mansutu, and also as the Hangout team, we definitely hope nothing but the best for you, and also what you're going to be giving to the people. Basa Ginsberg. And right now, Getinaga, as the Hangout team, what we're going to do is we're going to take this one back to studio, and also we're hoping that you guys at home are also enjoying your Heritage Day. So please stay blessed and also take care.
Hi ke sifikelele kwela xesha. It's been a great show, but unfortunately we have to say goodbye. So uTshabalala uMtshengu Sobhuza yena ezalwa nguMadlamini uJama uSjadu Fakathi uNgqonoboya uXuza uDweba uthi for now see you next week. Bye bye.